Friends, on today's lesson, I'm just going to give you some new words that you can use in your conversation as much as you want every single day. I'm going to give you the days of the week and the months of the year. Now, anytime I have my students turn in anything to me or write anything, they always write the date. And they write it in Spanish using words. And for the date, they don't put numbers, they put in word form, because every single time they do that, they practice it one more time. And so I encourage you just to start naming the days of the week and the months of the year. Maybe each day, try to figure out how to say the date. I'm going to teach you how to write dates in a different lesson. But right now, I want to give you those foundational words of the days and the months. So here we go. Let's start with the days of the week. Monday is lunes. Lunes. Okay. Tuesday is martes. Martes. Now for Wednesday, we have an accent on the E. So I'll go ahead and show you that word. And so we're going to, remember when we have an accent, we're going to kind of stress that particular letter a little bit stronger than the other ones. So say this with me. Miércoles. Miércoles. All right. Now Thursday, we got a J at the beginning, so we're going to breathe it a little bit. Jueves. Jueves. All right. Friday. Viernes. Viernes. And then Saturday, we've got another accent. This is the only other one that has an accent, and it's on the A. And sometimes my students want to say sábado, because it's 3 syllables. And typically, if a word has 3 syllables in Spanish, you would stress that middle syllable. They always learn the rule, 3 syllables, stress the middle syllable. And so typically you would, but remember the accents are the boss. They come in and change the rules, and they say, nah, we're going to say a different letter. So here we've got an accent on the A, the first A. So everybody's saying, sábado, sábado. There you go. Now, Sunday is domingo. Now, let's just run those one more time. I'm going to say it, and then you say it after me, okay? Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. All right, awesome job. Now, let's go to the months. Now, I need to back up just a second and tell you that the days, the word for the days, is los días. Los días. Okay, that's how we say days in general. Now let's move on back to the months. Let's start with January. January is going to be the most different from English out of all 12 of them. But here we go. Enero. Enero. February. Febrero. Febrero. And March is marzo. Marzo. Now, a lot of times you're going to see that when we have a Z in Spanish, a lot of times it's really going to sound a little bit more like an S in pronunciation. So, marzo. April is abril. Abril. May is mayo. Mayo. I know you've heard of Cinco de Mayo before. All right. June. Got a J, so let's breathe that J a little bit, almost like an H. Junio. Junio. July. Julio. Julio. August. Take note here. August does not have a U. Okay, we have to take that U out. Agosto. Agosto. So we've got all O's with August in Spanish. Agosto. Now, go ahead and put in your mind that September, November, and December. September, November, December all end with iembre. I-E-M-B-R-E. Okay, so September, we ought to put that little I in there. Say septiembre, septiembre. All right, October, got to change that little O in the middle. Octubre, octubre. All right, November, back to the iembres. Noviembre, noviembre. In December, we don't start with a D, we start with a D-I. So say diciembre, diciembre. All right, let's back up and start those one more time. I'm going to say it, you say it after me, okay? Enero, febrero, marzo, abril, mayo, junio, julio, agosto, septiembre, octubre, noviembre, diciembre. Great job. Now, I want to tell you one more word, and it's this one, los meses. Los meses. That means the months. All right. Friends, be practicing those. Next time, I'm going to tell you how to write dates and how to state dates in conversation. I'll see you next time on the Language Tutor.